Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And today I finally saw some Series 1 for 22-23 retail in the wild. So I grabbed, this is the only format I've seen so far, whether it be online or in person now, are the mega boxes. I have not seen any of the blasters or retail packs or I'm trying to think what other format they have. Well, I guess you typically do the tins after a while. But I haven't heard any mention of tins either, so I don't know if Upper Deck is just going to release it in this size and call it good or no or what. But so these only get what 10 total packs in a box, but technically it's only 9 packs because the 10th pack is just the bonus pack with the 94.95 cards, the die cuts. So your hope is to get 2 Young Guns. I want to say I've seen quite a few people get 3 though so far, but I haven't watched a lot of breaks of this retail release. And I know the value has dwindled on these what they used to be, because this was basically $40 for a blaster, and you're lucky to get 3 Young Guns where you could buy a regular hobby box for about $100, and you're going to get 6 at least, most likely more. So you got Karasha, Brady Shea, Stuart Skinner, Anthony Stolarz. Got a Teuvo Teravainen canvas, Hellebuck, Chris Driedger, and Igor Shesterkin. A lot of goalies in that pack. A lot of goalies. And we'll just go to the... And these are the most annoying inserts that they'd made for this set. Everything else, I mean, the design looks great, but what's the player's name? I mean, I'm pretty sure that's Cole Perfetti, but you can only see the name easily on the back. On the front, you got to kind of move it around in the light looking for the name, because it's like, oh, there it is. So that's the only downside, is that they used white script, or a white font, white colored font for the name. If they'd done anything other for a dark color, it would have been simple. Oh, we got a canvas Young Gun. So that's a nice start. That's not who I was hoping for, though. Jacob Perreault for the Ducks. Honestly, I was hoping for a Matty Beniers. So I guess that's 1 Young Gun. So we get a portrait of Morgan Riley for the Maple Leafs. Sorry. Okay. After that lengthy delay, got another insert here. Looks like defensive mechanism. And it's going to be Quinn Hughes, defense mechanism. Next pack. Got second Young Gun. Nicholas Abruzzi. Not familiar with him. Looks like he's played 9 games with the Leafs. Down to our last 3 packs. Hopefully there's one more young gun hiding here. Maybe 2. Maybe get lucky and get 2. Oh, we got a rookie retrospective. Looks like it might be for Boston. Nope. That's the Preds, so it's probably Anton Lundell. Oh no, Tanner Jeannot. Actually, I'm thinking, now that I said that other name, Lundell, I think he was Panthers, not Preds. Got a Dazzler. And our Dazzler is going to be Ryan Hartman for the Wild. Well, the last pack before the bonus SP die cut pack. Can I get a 3rd young gun? Looks like I do have it, along with a checklist. So you got the checklist of Igor and Jason, who was just lighting it up this season so far. And looks like for the Wild, Marco Rossi. I want to say he's also on the checklist with his teammate for Series 1. Not the big name. So I did get 3 young guns. 2 regular and the canvas, so that's a nice plus. And there's the, it's not a young gun, but there's a Rossi, Jordan Spence, and a Matty Beniers. Not as attractive as getting the young gun would be, and I'm really not liking that. Come on. Jiminy Christmas. Come on. So a quick recap. For the die cut insert pack, you got the Marco Rossi, Jordan Spence for the Kings, and a Matty Beniers for the Kraken. The Blue Dazzler was Ryan Hartman. A Tanner Jeannot rookie retrospective. Defense mechanism was Quinn Hughes. Our honor roll was Morgan Riley. Debut date, Cole Perfetti. Teuvo Teravainen. Canvas. Regular canvas. And for Young Guns, got Marco Rossi. Nicholas Abruzzi. And a Jacob Perreault canvas Young Gun for the Anaheim Mighty Ducks, right? Pretty sure. Yep, that's Ducks. So anyway, that concludes this blaster or mega box break of 2022-23 Series 1 hockey. So hope everybody all have a great rest of your day, and as always, keep collecting.